Every house I get in the state of Missouri has a sub pump problem. Easy fix. Get a different sub pump that actually works. Also, you can see exposed wire. I put my hand on the drywall the other day, shocked the fuck out of me. The demons are down here.
What do you want? Okay, I'm gonna feed you as soon as we're done, and I can't run the. We can't run the water. So hold on, okay?
What's she doing? Trying to shit?
No, she's hungry.
Oh. We're almost done there, freaking hungry monkey.
If she locks us in here, I'm gonna beat her ass.
Yeah.